price has been absolutely tearing up all day, and you haven't really had an opportunity to dive in to try to catch that rise up. And so it's like, well, we need to look for the retracement. We need to look for points of interest where potentially the price is going to come back into for us to get in. And so you've got your basics, right? You've got your 50 EMAs and your different EMAs. You've got your VWAPs. They're always good areas, points of interest on the chart where we can expect some sort of price movement. But the other way to kind of look at this is areas on the chart where moves are happening, right? And so for example, I'm on the 15-minute chart now, and I can see the first place where we had a pullback and then price continued to rip up again is usually institutionally led, right? It's usually big money that's come in. And so you can see here, this candle here was the last bearish candle before this rip up, and so that's the zone there which you would call the order block, right? That's a bullish order block. So that's a really good area where if price did come back into, I'd absolutely want to go with that with good risk management, 3-to-1 risk to reward, or just know that whatever you're going to lose, it's locked in with a stop loss. But then you've got your fair value gaps, right? These are the gaps in between candles where price has been absolutely flying and it hasn't really give enough time or chance for the order book to be filled, and probably slippage because of a disproportionate buy to sell ratio in terms of the market. And so effectively what happens is price moves that fast, orders don't get filled, so usually price likes to come back into these zones and fill those order books for the imbalance, right? So now we've got a couple of areas. We've got two imbalances and we've got a bullish order block. And so if we want to continue with this move, well then our next port of call is to go, well, where are the favoured areas on the chart? And so it's always about value, right? Ultimately, it's about where's the biggest value, and it's not cast in stone. It's not like this is going to happen. Let me just change this to fair value. And you can clearly see we've got two, so this is just going from me low to me high. We've got two areas that's both within that value area, right? We've got the fair value gap here and we've got the bullish order block here. And so I would discount this one. I wouldn't look to get in on a move here. I would be patient and I would wait for a move here. Just for additional confluence though, one of the things you can also do is overlay another fib, and there you go. That's nice confluence. We have the 50 EMA, we have the VWAP, we have the fair value gap, all in that fair value area. So check that out.